Hey guys, so to this video you've came to see how to set up an email campaign for Systeme.io, so I'm going to show you. But before that, if you haven't already checked out Systeme.io, I recommend going to the description of this video like this and click on my link. Now you can get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and you can get it for free forever and no credit card required, only from my link. If it's not from my link, then it won't work. And yeah. So back to the tutorial. What you need to do is first of all open up Systeme.io as I said from my link. Then go to emails with your mouse and click on campaigns. And then by you it's going to look like this. Oops, it looks like this list is empty. So what you need to do is click on create. Now you can add an email campaign like welcome everybody. And if you want to, you can add the description, but I'm not going to do it. Then click save. And now you can click on these three dots and click on settings. You can again edit this, and once you click on this like blue text, you can click on create. Now you can have a sender name like Mark Doe, like your actual name. And select the subject welcome, and you can click on visual editor and select if you want this or this template. Let's see this, and just click save. And if you want to send emails from an email address, you need to authenticate this domain. And how to authenticate is go to settings and go to emails, and you need to authenticate an email here. So you can do that, and yeah, and that's going to work for you. So I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.